The loon is an aquatic bird found in North America and northern Eurasia. They are found in lakes, rivers, and ponds. Loons have a black head, red eyes, a large bill, a white breast, and a black and white checkered back. Loons eat fish, insects, frogs, crayfish, and salamanders. Loons can fly at speeds at 70 miles an hour. Loons need a long runway of water for takeoff because of their heavy bodies. Loons are good swimmers and great divers. They can stay underwater for 5 minutes. Loons spend their life on the water. They have a hard time walking on land, so they only go on land when nesting. Baby loons are called chicks. Predators of loons and their young include bald eagles, ospreys, snapping turtles, foxes, ravens, raccoons, gulls, and large fish. The loon is the state bird of Minnesota, and it's also the provincial bird of Ontario. It is pictured on the Minnesota State Quarter, appeared as a mascot in a baseball team, featured in movies like Finding Dory, and their call has also appeared in movies like Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, Platoon, Godzilla, 1917, Watchmen, Avengers Infinity War, and Avengers Endgame. Loons live for 20 to 30 years in the wild. The loon is a magnificent bird, and they are another one of God's amazing animals.